Hello guys, so I didn't have a better video idea, so here we are. It's Sunday, August 25th. I tend to upload on Sundays on YouTube, but because my cousins have been here, I haven't really had a chance to film. But they just left today, and I have so many things to do. Okay, that's an over-exaggeration, but I have a few things to do today, so I don't really have time to film. But here we are. So it's Sunday today, and some of the day is already passed because I had brunch with my family, and now I'm here alone. Ah, fuck. So in today's video, I decided to just vlog my day here on Sunday because I have so many things to do. So I'll just bring you guys along. Also, my skin is so bad that I'm just like covering it with a face mask, guys. Anyways, my family just left, so I'm in the apartment alone. Okay, let me just explain my living situation because a couple of you guys have asked me about it. I'm living alone with my brother in the city and his girlfriend, yeah, which is meant to be an office, but since my school is near this place right here, I will be staying here for a bit. And the rest of the family is currently renovating the other house that we have. So yeah, so I do need to clean up the house. I need to do some laundry. I need to do some homework, do this video. I kind of want to get an Instagram photo too. Oh, fucking kneecap. This is not an advertisement. Okay, let's just move that. See how like messy my room is? I haven't even decorated my room yet, so. Okay, I'm gonna start by cleaning the kitchen. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to wear this face mask for only 10 minutes, but we're living on the edge. I'm just gonna pop you guys onto this. Beautiful. Okay, where the fuck is the speaker? I'm in a singing mood. I don't know how to sing, so bear with me. Thank you. It's you. It's always. What the fuck? What the fuck? Perfect. Guys, tip of the day: reuse your bottles. Plastic or glass reuse is perfect. Plus, if it's like a vodka bottle, it's kind of fun. It's like a little game. Like, am I drinking vodka or am I drinking water? That happened once actually. I thought it was water and I drank straight from the bottle. It was a rough night. Oh my god, let's try switching it around. I love singing, but it just sucks that I'm not good at it, so it's just like I sound like a dying cat. But if I'm really comfortable with you, I will literally just sing like as I speak, you know? Yeah, it's kind of disgusting, but it's cool. Let's try. Okay, I'm in a singing mood, but I know that if I just keep singing, I'm gonna cut everything out. So I might as well just not film right now. Like, my mood is just weird, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna do the dishes. So okay. Anyways, I should really get this face mask off, but can't be asked. I have so much schoolwork to do. Just don't know if I can get myself to start right now. No, actually I should really start, shouldn't I? Man. Guys, I've lost my tan. Like, I know I'm like naturally kind of brown girl here now because I'm also half Indonesian, but I feel like I'm such like a right now, okay, on camera, oh, it looks not that bad, but in person I'm just kind of like a I was born this color kind of color, not like a I've been tanning for 3 hours straight kind of color. Guys, I really don't feel like getting to work right now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I should really take this face mask off, you guys. Oh. Okay, let's see what classes I have. That's right. But oh my god, the first class is Spanish. I realized that the first class is when I realized I was gonna fail Spanish. The first class I had in Spanish, like in my new school, the teacher was like, okay, write 15 sentences in past tense about your summer. What the fuck? I don't know jack shit about Spanish. I know how to introduce myself barely. And then I have, oh, okay, I should work on math too. Learn what they did last class. I missed the last class because I joined another class because I've never had informatics. Yeah, informatics. Like this other class in the same grade, they were having like the full day of informatics so they could like learn the basics and whatnot, and I had to join them because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do an exam very soon, and I've only had informatics for like 5 classes now, including like the full day. I don't even know. Love that. What the fuck do I start with? Guys, I've just been sitting here for 10 minutes. Okay, that's actually not that long, but like doing nothing. Okay. And here is me brainstorming website ideas for informatics class. How to be 10 steps to success. I'll just write like some bullshit stuff, you know. How to pass IB. We're not even in an IB school, and I have never done IB, so who am I kidding? How to beauty tips. What the fuck do I write about? How to become an influencer? How to start a YouTube. Should I just do that? How to start a successful YouTube? Well, I wouldn't know. Tips to YouTube. 10 tips for a successful YouTube. 10 tips for influencers. 10 influencer tips. 10 social media influencers. What the fuck do I write about? I don't know jack shit about this. Actually, I kind of do, but kind of not. I just kind of guess my way through this and just hope for the best. 10 steps to being an influencer. Easy. Okay, yeah. Should I? Do I really want to put in that much effort just for like an informatics class? Yes, I'm gonna get a good grade. Okay. I feel like you guys should see what I'm doing. Wait, how to do the order thing? The numbered? The unlisted. Okay, unordered. UL. Guys, I've worn this 10-minute face mask for, I guess, for 2 hours, I think. Love that. It's currently 4:05 p.m. and where has this been? And I did some of the informatics homework. This is really not the most important homework I have because it's in a couple of days, but I just really can't bother to do anything else. But you guys probably wait, look at that. Oh, but and I had to like choose a background. I'm not done though because I need to add images and whatnot, but it's 4 and I feel like taking photos right now, so I don't want the sun to go away. I mean, there's still a couple of hours, but I'm just giving myself excuses to take photos. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this face mask off. I don't know if you can see it as much on camera, but it's not the best right now, but it's okay. It's cool. It's gonna get better. Guys, I just peeled up my skin and I know it's gonna go really bad, but it's fine. I haven't done my makeup yet, so I'm gonna do it now because the sun is literally going away right now. And we're back. Ooh, what a transition. Oh my god. Okay, I did some highlighter and I haven't done highlighter in so long. You can like barely see it right now, but like it's cool. Okay, I put on these super, oh my god, it looks like I have abs. Ooh, I see that. Okay, coming through. I put on these jeans, which I'm pretty sure are just from Brandy Melville, but like they don't fit me that well on the butt just because I don't have a butt. We're not gonna talk about, I mean I have one, but it's not a big one. But we're gonna put some music on. Actually, maybe I shouldn't put music because I don't want to get copyrighted. I need to pee so bad. I'm changed again anyway. Wait, oh this is, wait, she's cute. Is she cute? No, she's not. I mean, she's basic, but it's okay. Okay, anyways. Guys, look at how disgusting my hair is, by the way. I'm so excited for it to grow out because right now it's not cute. I'm gonna go through the photos, possibly upload if there's anything that I can upload, if there's anything good enough to upload. How the fuck can I get this chair down? Oh. Guys, okay, I have a photo, but I don't know if I like it enough to post it. Okay, I just uploaded. I don't know how to feel about it. It's like one of the first posts in a while where you can see my face, but like kind of not really. Like where you can see like my full face, where I'm not like covering it with a phone or anything, was July 29th and it is August 25th. Holy shit. That's me! You know what? Now it's 5:30. I'm gonna put on music again and we're just gonna bust out some schoolwork. I think I'm gonna stop a little with the informatics and do what's actually due for tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm thinking about it too much. Do I even like the photo? I really don't know if I like the photo, guys. Okay, I don't know if I like the photo anymore. I have cultural understanding tomorrow, so I should probably read. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god, I really don't know if I should delete it. Should I just delete it? I think I'm just gonna delete it. If I'm stressing so much about it, it might just not be on. But it kind of looks good on my feet. Wait, it actually kind of looks good on my feet. Oh my god! First try. Okay, I'm on the floor because I feel like laying down. I can't really film myself editing or exporting at least because I need the SIM card for that. So I've been editing for the past I don't know how long. My back hurts from being on the ground. Daniel ordered pizza.
Who the fuck changed my profile picture in Netflix? I look like a fucking chicken now.
This looks like weird carrot.
Oh shit.
Ew, 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 ew. So annoying. Anyways, I've finished eating and I've been editing a little more. But anyways, I'm gonna wipe my makeup off. I'm gonna take a shower, do my after shower routine thing, and then I'm gonna go back to my computer and continue editing and finish my Spanish homework before tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's Monday, the next day. I did not get the video up yesterday because I just didn't finish editing it. But I was just gonna end the video here because the clips from last night, they were so ugly that I just can't even put it in. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's like a little different from usual. But I really liked filming it because it's like I was with someone the whole day because like, I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed and please subscribe. Bye.